Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll review the Tenso table. We are in a different location than usual. We are in our lounge in Archamps. It's a French town right south of Geneva. Let's dive into the details of this table, which has a stunning base element and very peculiar materials for the tabletop. The Tenso dining table is available only in its fixed version, so no extending versions, and we have a wealth of materials available. We have glass with around 10 available glasses, transparent, lacquered, or even frosted colored glass, which is 12 millimeters thick. Then we have ceramics, and we have 19-20 different available ceramics. They are 16 millimeters thick. Remember that ceramics are always combined with glass underneath, so you always have this perception of the glass underneath and ceramics on top of it. Then we have marble, and we'll talk about more later about the marble version. Bear in mind that marble is 2 centimeters thick, like the one that you see here. And then we have wood available in 3 colors, and wood is 4 centimeters thick, and you have the version with straight edges and a version with irregular edges. As to formats, we have several measures, but here you see the barrel-shaped version, but you also have the standard rectangular version. We spoke about marble. We have 7 different marbles and origins available, and here we have Fior di Pesco with a glossy finish. Fior di Pesco means flower of a peach tree, and it's a specific marble origin that we have in the Alpi Carniche, which is a region of the Alp mountains in the northeast of Italy, in the province of Udine. And it's very specific. You get this type of marble only in that area. It's very exclusive, but it's actually offered with a competitive price in comparison to other origins of marbles in the world. And what's so unique about this marble? Well, it tells a story. You know that if you are watching our videos, you know that I'm a marble lover, just like I love leather. All materials that convey and tell a story, I do love them. But if you look at it in detail, well, here we have a specific slab of stone, but I can tell you that every piece is completely different from each other. I love this marble because, well, you get light gray, you get beige, you get white, you get darker grays, and there are beautiful shades of pink that turn, in certain bits of it, they turn into red and even dark red. The exciting part is that you might fall in love with a piece like this. And well, actually, if you purchase this table or any other item of furniture which is made with this sort of marble, your slab will be different. And I see it as a positive thing because you see this line here? Well, with these 2 parallel lines running, well, you might have a feature like this on your slab, or you might not have it, because your slab will tell a different story. Sorry for the excitement, but this is what I love. Do you share my ideas about marble, or do you prefer something very neutral and that the piece that you get is identical to the piece that you've seen? Just write it in the comments. In terms of design, the centerpiece of the Tenso table is the base element. It has a peculiar design indeed. It is built with 24 tubes, metal tubes. They are 20 millimeters thick. These metal tubes are actually curved to create this V shape, and the 2 sets of 12 and 12 metal tubes, they intersect into each other, just like when you cross like this, okay? And they create indeed a stunning effect. If you look underneath the table, between the base element and the tabletop, there is a supporting panel. This is especially important for full stability and full reliability. And you have 4 different finishes for the color of the base, which here is carbon gray. So we've come to the end of today's product review about the Tenso dining table. I hope that you shared my excitement with marbles and materials that tell a story, and see you next time. Bye bye!